Enjoy the great outdoors in your Dodge Ram pickup and protect the value of your vehicle's interior with your newly installed custom fit seat covers. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The front set has 9 pieces and offers 2 headrest covers, 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, and 3 center console cover sections. The rear set has 5 pieces and includes 3 headrest covers, 1 solid backrest cover, and 1 solid seat bottom cover. Begin by disconnecting the flap on the back side of the front seats. Now, starting with the front bucket seats, remove the front headrests, and then stretch the backrest covers over each seat. Make sure to pull down firmly for a snug fit. Using the cutouts, tuck the fabric around and under the base of the headrest. Then zip up the sides of the cover. Now push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom and tuck the fabric into the crevice. From the rear and under the seat, secure the straps using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Next, place the seat bottom covers on the seats. Insert the buckle clips through the crevice to the back side and tuck the fabric into the crevice. You will notice the inner side of the cover has hook and loop straps. Tuck the straps in between the seat and console and fasten to the seat fabric. Then grab the elastic loop and slip it around the seatbelt buckle for added security. Now use the foam push bar and push clip on the other side of the seat bottom and insert them into the side of the crevice of the seat base. Tuck the fabric in to secure. Then, on the bottom of the front seats, you will notice the metal bar which is used to slide the seat back and forth. Loosen the straps to extend the length, then stretch them over the metal bar and underneath the seat bottom to the back side. Now pull the straps out from under the seat and connect them to the buckle clips. Then adjust, tighten, and secure underneath the seat bottom. Reconnect the original factory seat flap, and then using the hook and loop adhesive strips, attach the cover to the backrest by fastening it to the back side and pressing down to secure. Next, make sure the center console is in the upright position. Then slip on section 1 of the center console, which is the middle bottom seat cover. Tuck the straps under the front bottom to the back side of the seat. Now, insert the flap into the crevice of the center console. From the back side, use the hook and loop adhesive strips and fasten them to the original fabric. Then fasten the hook and loop straps to the console and stretch the cover over the straps and secure to the fabric with hook and loop closure. Next, slip on section 2 of the center console. Then tilt down the console and make sure to tuck the fabric around the seat controls. Fasten the hook and loop straps to the unit and secure the cover over the straps with hook and loop closure. Then slip on section 3 of the center unit, which is the console cover. Slip the elastic bands around the lid of the console and stretch the cover over the lid for a secure, snug fit. Now reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. Next, lift the rear bench bottom upward to release the backrest. Then remove the rear headrests. Now slide the rear seat cover onto the bench bottom. Align the preset cutouts with the controls and insert the hook and loop straps into the crevice. Then lift the seat upward. Starting at the top, fasten all the hook and loop straps onto the bottom side of the seat. Work your way to the bottom and secure the cover to the seat by fastening the straps. Next, align the backrest cover over the rear backrest. Make sure to lift the bench bottom upward to release the backrest and allow room for the fabric. Now slide the backrest cover under the seat belt and begin to tuck the cover around the headrest base and controls. Then at the base of the cover, insert the hook and loop straps into the seat crevice. Lift up the bench bottom and begin to pull all the hook and loop adhesive straps out of the crevice, and then fasten them firmly to the seat bottom one by one. Now reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. That's it! Enjoy the great outdoors in your Dodge Ram pickup and protect the value of your vehicle's interior with your newly installed custom fit seat covers.